Perhaps you already have a home that you need to sell. We'll explain to you the best options on how to time these transactions so you don't get stuck owning two homes or no home at all. We have your back through all negotiations, and even after closing your home, we are here to be an important referral source for you. For local contractors and services, we are here to make your home purchase a smooth, worry-free transaction. A common buyer mistake is waiting too long to start the home buying process. Don't wait until the last minute to get started, or you may end up not finding the perfect home. It's better to start your home search too early versus too late. We would recommend starting the process at least 4 to 5 months in advance so you can avoid making mistakes, especially if you currently own a home. This gives you time to sell your existing home for the highest price and align your moving dates so you have a smooth transaction. We recommend that you begin with a free phone consultation to provide you the information that you need as a home buyer. So we do offer that totally free of charge and without obligation. And rest assured, this is a